So I'm here at Zoo, the contemporary Thai restaurant that the whole city has been talking about, and I'm actually looking forward to meeting with Gurmehar Sethi, the fabulous chef behind the entire thing. We're going to be cooking one of his signature dishes and one of my favorite dishes that he makes. Let's go! So I'm finally in Gurmehar Sethi's kitchen, and I can't decide what looks better, the chef or the food that he's going to teach me. And Gurmehar actually has a fabulous background. He is from Nobu, from the Banyan Tree, and he does progressive Thai food, which is actually new to this city, and everyone has been talking about him. And this is my apron. I'm ready to cook. So, Gurmehar, over to you. What are you going to teach me?
So we will be doing one of our signature salads of Zoo. It'll be a banana blossom salad, and basically it's the banana flower is mostly found in tropical regions and usually grown on the banana tree. It's a pink color looking flower, not usually found, sorry, you can see we don't have much of it because we usually get it from Thailand. So this has already been julienne, kept in lemon water.
So that we don't have the whole flour.
We don't have it because it's a signature dish. I'm sorry for that. And this is the last portion because it's one of the favorite salads. This is the last portion which we have today for the evening.
Okay.
But yeah, we'll be receiving our second lot on tomorrow afternoon. Probably yes, tomorrow afternoon. So
I'm
I
getting
think
my surgical gloves.
lovely. I think yes, very important. Hygiene is a very important factor in our kitchen.
Absolutely.
So-
Only I wish I wasn't wearing so many accessories. And so tell me a little bit about yourself, Gurmehar. Something about your journey.
Well, it was I've been working as a chef with Nobu, with different chains, different brands. Graduating from the Cordon Bleu London, Cordon Bleu Thailand. Did 4 years of hotel management in La Roche, Switzerland. Well, then I started deciding working with with the Matsuhisa Nobu in Dubai. After which moved to Thailand, Bangkok. Worked there with Nam, David Thompson, very renowned Thai chef, holding Asia's #1 restaurant. After which it was back to India, came for a holiday. Not seeing many standalone Thai restaurants, was this one which I decided to open. Well, I guess you've tried the food, you'll brief us more on that.
I'm a big fan. I'm a huge fan. So before we start, I just want to. So this is some sugar. These are some air fried onions, coconut flakes, peanuts.
This is curled bell pepper,
Curled bell pepper, and some.
microgreens,
Microgreens.
and the dressing which we are using over here is a chili tamarind.
Okay, so we have everything here, and these are some.
Air fried, the same thing over here. We just air fried the banana flour,
Okay.
just to garnish it crispy on top, just to give a different texture to the salad.
It's really delicious. So what do you want me to do first?
So we'll start with first thing. What we're going to start with is take. How about what we do is we'll just get this out, or rather we'll get your plate in the middle, so that it's going to be easy for you. We put the garnish on the side. You get a mixing bowl, and you just strain this banana flour out of the lemon water,
So why do you put it in the lemon water?
so that it doesn't turn black.
Black, okay.
Right. It's something same like an artichoke. Artichokes tend to turn black when exposed to the air. It's same. The banana flower is of the same family.
Okay.
So we'll just strain it out. By the way, my hands are clean. I washed it, sanitized it,
Yeah, I have
and I
cleaned
have
it.
no accessories. So we just put some banana flour over here, and here you go. But further, you're just going to be putting some dressings.
So how do I proceed? Should I keep it here?
Yeah, you can. This is your plating plate, so you're not going to be plating here. You can start with the
So
salad
I'm
first.
also going to be learning how to plate a contemporary Thai dish today.
Lovely.
Wow. And Gurmehar has forbidden me from calling his food progressive or molecular or modern.
It's modern. It's contemporary. It's innovative. But we do not go into molecular progressive style of cooking.
Okay, so look how beautifully he's arranged even the condiment.
Lovely.
plate.
So first we're going to start with a bit of the dressing.
How much?
About 4 tablespoons. Let's see how it goes once we mix it.
So do you follow recipes? Do you follow
Recipes.
SOPs or
Only.
do you just do it?
Very strict on SOPs and
okay.
recipes.
Okay.
Further, we will go with our onions.
Should I use my
You
hands?
can use your hands. You have gloves on.
So what? All of it?
Yeah, all of it. Same with the coconut flakes. Same with the peanuts. We'll add a tinge of the sugar because we have a chili tamarind dressing. To get a bit of the sweetness, we're going to be putting a bit of the sugar so that the tamarind doesn't really, overpowers the whole taste of the salad.
So should I? I mean, how much?
Just a pinch.
Just a pinch.
Just
okay.
a pinch.
One thing. What does this salad go best with? What would you pair it with?
With wine.
What wine? I'm missing it.
A wine which will go best with this will be a nice yellowtail Chardonnay.
Okay.
Will be perfect.
Should we get some yellowtail Chardonnay while you make?
While we are making, we can have a glass of yellowtail. Lovely.
Absolutely. Okay, here comes the yellowtail. So Ankit, you
Southern
approach.
Australian Chardonnay, yeah. उसको भी दिखना है
Thank you.
Yeah, perfect. I am sorry, I did not. He's one of us. He's also familiar as well as the manager here, so I did not. He would be well known with the thing, but he has already told me that this salad goes well with this wine.
Yes, and I have tried his stuff before, and he knows what he's talking about. Ankit Alwalia, thank you.
Thank you.
Great. So cheers.
Cheers to that. Cheers to you cooking today in the kitchen.
Cheers to getting me in your lovely kitchen. This is my fan moment. So,
Right. Let's go.
yeah.
So basically, we've mixed everything. All the ingredients are in. We're going to mix it. You can.
Can I use my
yes,
hands?
you can. Nicely mix the dressing along the whole salad. Lovely. I think they need to see this. It looks really delicious down there.
Well, all the dirty work was already done for me. I got the easy job.
Now it's time for some plating. That's something fun actually. So we need to nicely mix it. That's the most important part, when you're cooking. It's very important for us to taste, or all of these guys to taste, because you need to. The guest should also, because we're not perfectionists. We try everything, taste, and then send it out to the guest. Yeah, lovely. So now it's coming to the plating. Sit nice and a line down here. Not bad. Perfect. And with this, we're just gonna have a little bit of dots.
So this
And
is beetroot or
This is
capsicum reduction?
This is a beetroot puree,
This
and
turmeric
this is
cream.
turmeric cream.
Okay. Put
And
it in?
yeah, just press it.
So, how many grams do you serve in a portion?
So this is about 100, between 100 with the condiments, it comes up to about 110. We just take
Okay.
lovely, looks excellent. We just have a so we just take a spoon, press it down. Take a spoon, press it down, and the ring out.
Wow.
We get this out of the way. We have some air fried banana flour over here, which you're just going to put on top. Lovely. So we just get all these particles out. We'll take a nice little beetroot from here. And ta-da!
Wow.
Done.
It looks so beautiful. I don't want to destroy this.
Nice little salad. Cute, to the point,
It's very cute.
and it not very complicated, but yes, it's our signature salad of the restaurant as well.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Gurmehar,
Please enjoy.
for teaching me this salad and for teaching. Fabulous. Thank you.
Thank you.